Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mena and we're back with another video. So in today's video, we are installing this gorgeous kinky curly 7x5 closure unit from Unice hair. If you guys want the details on this unit and you want the super quick, easy install tutorial, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See y'all in a few.
Best friend, be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
All right, so let's get into this real quick because my family and I are about to go out and I need to be ready quickly. So yeah, let's do it. Lips was a little dry. All right, so today we're working with Unice, as I told y'all. Hoping it's a quick and easy install because, like I said, I gotta go. So let's just unbox it. They gave us some gifts to go over that. We got a bunch of lashes, some wig caps. They gave me a cap that also has lace. So this is like a replacement cap for the wig, I believe. And something that I'm going to need right now, a wig band. Ooh. I think this is a closure. Oh, perfect. Because I don't have a lot of time, and closures always save me time. This is gorgeous. It's a kinky curly glueless closure unit. Oh my god, this is literally perfect for today. Pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-parted, pre-bleached knots, everything. We don't have an adjustable wig band in here, but I think I might have an extra. So I'm gonna put that in here because how can you be a glueless wig without a wig band in the back? You gotta have something to secure the wig. Thankfully, I just have these things laying around. So let's just put this in and then we can get back to what we was doing. If it's in there perfectly, I might just keep that in there. Okay, cool. So we're gonna tint the lace so we can install the wig. I always gotta tint the lace, child. I'm gonna be using a little bit of, what is this? Cream foundation by Ruby Kisses. I need to get some more. I'm running low. I'm just gonna really quickly apply this to my lace. Make sure we get the front of the lace, most important part. Oh my god, I literally got so lucky. I did not know what kind of wig I was about to pull out. I get so many different products and so many different wigs, so it's like I don't really ever remember what I'm working with until I open the box up. And I kind of like it that way because I like to be surprised, you know, it's like opening a gift. But I got lucky because a glueless closure wig, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-parted, pre-everything, when I need to be out the door in 30 minutes, I'm God's favorite. Simple. Okay, so we are nice and tinted, ready to go. Ooh, let's just adjust her. Oh wow, it's pretty much like already done. That's crazy. I'm gonna tighten my wig band. That way it's nice and secure. Wow. And it's cold outside, so I wanted something that was gonna keep me warm, and a kinky curly wig is gonna do just that. Okay, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of glue to this. So roll her back. Like, this is glueless and can be worn glueless, but I'm gonna apply just a little bit of glue because I'm running some errands today with the family, going on like a little family outing. I don't need no problems, okay? Let's be outside. Apply some glue. Just gonna rub that in before it falls down my face. Oh, it just fell on the ground. They did give me an adjustable wig band. Unice, I'm so sorry, girl. They did give me an adjustable wig band. It just fell on the ground when I was opening the package. So never fear. It comes with an adjustable wig band. I was saying, like, how can you have a glueless wig without an adjustable wig band? That don't even make no sense. My bad, Unice. And one more coat. Don't need too much. I'm probably not gonna keep this on for longer than today. Just want some security. All right, and then we are just going to take our lace and place it on the glue. All right, we've got our wig band. Secure the lace, and while that is melting, I'm just gonna roll this down a little bit so we can get to the hairline. I'm gonna take a wax stick and apply that to the hairline. Not too much. And then of course the part that they so kindly gave us. and the crown of the head, anywhere we want to be flat and or stay in place. And I'm gonna plug in my hot comb and get that ready. I was going to figure out what I wanted to do with the hair, but I think I just want to leave it like this. It already comes very defined. The curls are gorgeous. I love how tight they are. I love that kinky curl. So I don't think I need to do anything other than just hot comb and flatten everything out at the top, and I think we'll be okay. All right, hot combing is done, I believe. Let's take off our wig band and check out the lace. All right, lace is pretty melted. I think we're just going to add a little bit of holding spritz, extra security, and a bit of a double melt. Add right on top of the lace. So I'll get rid of any white lines of demarcation, just in case. And then I'll bring out just a little bit of hair, do a little baby hair. I usually don't do baby hair, but sometimes with closures it's necessary depending on how well the closure fits your head. I think we're good about right there. Because usually I like to just keep that clean look, no baby hairs, but that isn't always possible, okay? Sometimes a little baby hair, you know, is good. Okay, so I'm just gonna use an eyebrow razor. Cut the hair about right here. And I'm gonna get a little bit of edge gel. I'm just gonna put it right on my brush. I don't really do baby hairs often, so you probably can tell by this process. But yeah, anyway, I'm just going to brush them down. I figured edge gel would work. This brush is not it. I figured this edge gel would work for this hair type because it's kinky curly hair, and it is. Straight like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right. I'm just gonna take a little bit of glue and put that right on top of the baby hair, just to kind of like, I don't know, glue it there or something. I'm just gonna glue a little bit of glue on top of the other hairs, right about here, so they stay out the way. To add like a little bit of volume and a little bit of coverage in the back, I'm just gonna comb out the very back of the hair. Like, not this back, but like underneath, right? Just to fill up any spaces and add a little bit of volume. Try to be careful not to get the hair in the front. Even do a little behind the ear action. And take a little bit of gel and some water. And put that right on the front pieces of hair and like a little bit on the top. Just adds a little bit more definition and shine. And this is curling jelly, I believe. It also calms like any frizz. I want volume, but I don't want frizz. I think that's about all we need. And then I'm gonna take my hot comb and just do some final touch-ups. All right, and we are done. Got a little view right here. Oh, this is very cute. Ready for the winter cold. All right, did my brows, put on a little bit of blush, pretty much ready to go. So let's close this out. Thank you so much to Unice for sending me this unit. I absolutely love it. I think this is gonna be like my new go-to winter like throw on curly wig. I really like it. This is definitely gonna keep me warm. And it's easy to install in under 30 minutes. Like, what is the video, like 10 minutes long? I think you can honestly install this wig in about like 10 minutes. I'll have all the details for this unit down below in the bio. This unit is called the Unice byebye Knots 7x5 Glueless Lace Kinky Curly with Bleached Knots 180% density wig. I got it in 24 inches and it is $285.34. Shout out to Unice for sending me this unit. Love, love, love. I gotta get up out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, it's your girl Mena. Y'all have a good day.
Now I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.